Here's a simple step-by-step guide to turn off Google Account Sync on your device. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google. This section controls everything linked to your Google account: Gmail, contacts, calendar, Chrome data, and more. Next, tap Manage your Google account. Then swipe over to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you see Apps and Services you use, and tap Google Account Data or Sync if it appears on your device. Here you'll see every type of data your Google account syncs automatically, like contacts, Gmail, Chrome, Drive, calendar, and more. To disable sync completely, toggle off Sync Everything, or individually turn off each option you don't want synced. If you want to turn off Chrome Sync too, open Chrome, tap your profile picture, and choose Turn Off Sync. This stops syncing your bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions across devices. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Google Account Sync on your device.